so you can see that you won't. I see.
Hey, read. Read good because I'm videotaping.
Okay, we'll read that. No, we'll read that next. Let's read this first.
Stutter.
Okay, no. Let's look at this one, and then you can have this one. What for? The Chihuahua, however, was already in his closet, boarding a bus. You need to read well when you probably can't hear me. Okay. And Porter's probably going to see the truck soon.
Amy?
What?
Amy?
Is it you? Yeah.
Amy? Look it!
Hey! Oh no. Truck. But the kitty boy wasn't the only Chihuahua on board. His old amigos, those chimichangas, were going to school too. Think, dog, you mean a dude, exclaimed Don Diego, the biggest of the small ones. See, Skipito, panted Chiquito. Yeah, you guys sound like a bunch of dogs.
Look it!
The smallest so much. We need your help, Conabuito. Without Daquito, declared Skipito. Why do you need my help with the buoy? Because he is a perro masculino, declared Don Diego, who is piranhas around the esqueleto.